Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox two-step verification code not sending problem. To do this, first check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, go to your email and check your spam and promotion folder. After checking your email, go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search for your Roblox account. Tap on Roblox app, scroll down, tap on storage. Now clear your app data. After delete your app data, tap on permissions. Now make sure all permission is enabled. After that, go to your Play Store. Now search for Roblox app. Update your Roblox app. Open your Roblox app and try to log in again. Now check your Gmail. By doing this process, you can fix this problem easily. Type your password and verify it. If this method doesn't work for you, you can contact with the Roblox support. Thank you.